Hey guys, welcome back. It is Cameron and I'm making a video and you're probably going to hear Aubrey in the background because it is Easter. Yeah. So, I was already starting putting the glue in, but my friend called me and my phone got in the glue, but my phone is okay, thank God. So, yeah, what I'm really going to do is put it right here.
Very cloud. You have to show them what you got from Dollar Store.
Oh yeah. So I got 2 bottles of glue for $1. Hang on, let me move that.
It looks like it's zoomed in, but it's not.
So I got this bottle of glue too. I got some googly eyes. And I got some glitter. And I have my activator right here.
Okay. So that's what Cameron gave me. So I'm gonna put it back in the bag. Cameron's making slime, so y'all make sure y'all go check out her video.
In the description.
We're doing the same thing. We're doing in the description thing, Rob. We're doing the same thing, but I'm gonna show you the Wonder Dough last.
So
I got this, but Cameron, if you go look on her video, she'll have the actual silly sludge in there. She'll actually have that silly sludge. So this is what it looks like. It looks a lot lighter.
So I'm mixing with my pen.
Look, it looks so pretty. But it's like this light. Look, this is what it looks like. Guys. It's like white.
So yeah, this glue is very thick, even though it's not
ASMR.
over. It's a dollar store glue. So I think I want to make this.
This is not really ASMR because we're all talking.
Yeah. And so, and Aubrey gave me this silly sludge. It came in that container she just did. So yeah, go check out her video.
Perfect.
Nice.
That's what it looks like with the glitter. I didn't use any of that glitter, but honestly, I'm going to use some of the glitter I just got.
Hey, Aubrey, come check out this angle.
Hey, lit!
I know, right?
Show the better angle to me. Show the tripod. I mean, not a tripod.
I have a tripod too. It's in there, but
She has a tripod, but she's not using it. But she's using her selfie stick.
yeah.
I was like talking and I couldn't even breathe.
So now let's open up my glitter.
This is the glitter I got. Whoa, Cameron, it looks pink.
Frozen.
Look at the camera. It's white though, guys.
It's iridescent glitter.
Yes, it's iridescent glitter, but it looks pink. Like, you like that? Like, so I'm gonna open it. Oh, shoot.
So I think I'm gonna add purple in there. Oh my God, I'm making such a big mess.
What color slime are you making?
I'm gonna make purple glittery. So I think I'm gonna add all these except for the green.
It's not focusing.
Sorry, y'all guys are probably gonna be hearing Aubrey. So yeah, this video is already through. How long is your video already?
6 minutes.
Mine's 3. I know it's because my freaking phone dropped in the glue. Not fair. Okay, so let's add just a sprinkle, you guys, just a sprinkle. Oh my God, Aubrey, look how pretty this is.
That's cool. Look, you can barely see it, but look.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice.
Here, you can add some of this in there.
No, okay.
So you can add any of my glitter in your slime if you want. So it's kind of disturbing, Aubrey. I'm just joking. So the reason why I'm doing purple glitter is because it's Easter, and
Oh, now you can see it, like it's a little lighter.
it's
It's like so white, but then you do this and it's like
so the reason why I'm doing purple is because my family, we're all wearing purple basically.
She's doing the eggs.
Yeah. My brother's girlfriend is doing the
She's
eggs.
decorating the eggs. So
Yeah.
you've seen them at Walmart. They're like eggs, and you can decorate them, but they're like chalkboard eggs and filled with chalk. But the chalk comes off though. So I'm going to.
I just added the whole thing of glitter. It's pink.
Cameron, it was open already. So here is the Wonder Dough.
So yeah.
Green and pink.
Right now,
Yellow and pink, right?
yeah. And I'm adding all this glitter, and it's like so gorgeous, you guys. Look how it looks on camera.
Oh, that's cool. It's like the unicorn, but I can't open it.
So this is unicorn slime, you guys. Now I'm gonna add some blue. Just gonna add a little bit of
How do
blue.
you open your Wonder Dough?
Let me see. Here, you mix this up. And let me open it.
So guys, that's what it looks like. DIY mixing with a pen.
DIY, I didn't have nothing else to mix with.
It's really cute though.
It is real pretty. Well, a pen's not. I think I shouldn't have added the blue.
I know, that's cute.
Can I add a little bit of your iridescent glitter?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Hurry, my minute like thing.
I can't open it.
Go get some scissors. So guys, I'm gonna be right back. Just go get some scissors. I'll take over.
Here. So guys, I am adding.
So I'm gonna add some iridescent glitter. Okay.
I can't add it.
That looks cute, man.
It does. Let me see. Oh my god.
You have scissors, Cameron?
No,
Here, somebody has to have scissors.
I don't have scissors.
Your Nana doesn't have scissors in the kitchen?
No, probably not.
Yes, she does. I saw some.
Okay, we'll go
You
get
have
them.
some in your bag? In your backpack?
No,
Really?
we don't have scissors in my backpack.
For your school bag?
No, I don't. So yeah, guys, I can't get open her thing. So I am just adding all these pink and purple
Alright, guys, I'll be right back, guys.
and blue glitters. So yeah, guys, comment down below your favorite type of slime. Mine is cloud slime and unicorn slime and stuff like that. I like cloud slime and unicorn slime, and that's it. So yeah, I'm adding. So yeah, now I'm adding my activator. I just have the, I think it's Tide. I'm pretty sure. No, it's either Gain or Tide. I don't know. I think it's Gain. Yeah, it's Gain, guys. And guys, just so you know, never ever get laundry detergent in your eyes. It hurts really bad. It burns.
I got
Aubrey.
it open, guys.
Aubrey, can you squeeze some laundry detergent in here? Like a lot. There.
So guys, I'm sorry if that was a long wait. That was like a 2-minute wait. But here is the Wonder Dough. It is green. It looks like so light. It's green and pink, and Cameron had
Yellow and pink.
yellow and pink. So we're gonna get this to a good angle.
Oh my
So I'm gonna
gosh.
turn off this.
Aubrey, can you do me a favor real quick? Can you add in my googly eyes? This is gonna be unicorn googly eye slime. And add a lot of activator for me. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so sticky.
There's not even a bunch of googly eyes. Like, look at this.
I know, right? But it's okay. I like it still.
How much?
A lot, all of them.
All of them?
Mm-hmm. And can you add in some more activator? A lot of activator. There, yeah.
Okay, sorry for that, guys. Cameron's being a bummer.
No, my hands are sticky.
Okay, so this is the Wonder Dough. I got
Okay,
it open.
so let's just put that in my thing. So yeah, now I'm kneading it, as you guys can see. It's really pretty. Sorry for the bad angle, you guys. It's just, it's hard to.
Ah! Let me take a picture of it real quick.
Um,
It's
Just stand up real quick and go stand by Aubrey with me.
It's like sizzly.
Okay, guys, hang on.
Video.
Yeah.
Let me put a filter on you. A little Easter egg bunny or something.
Here with their sticky hands.
Put your head down, Cam. There you go. Oh, y'all are too cute.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
It's like-
Rude interruption, Mom.
It's like sizzly, Karen.
Look how cute that came out.
Aww.
Cute.
Send that to me.
Okay. I put it on my story, Mama, if you want to screenshot it.
Okay, I will.
So this is the red one. I mean the pink one. It looks really. This is hard to get out, honestly.
It is hard to get out.
Oh, she was mixing in.
Okay. Guys, here's my terrible slime. It's okay because I can add a little bit more glue since I have 2 bottles.
So this is half of it. And that's not even half of it, man. Guys, we're having an Easter party, and we're probably gonna make a vlog.
Yeah, we'll make a vlog
We're
after.
gonna have a good vlog because there's money in some of the eggs. So.
Yeah, there's money in most of them. Aubrey, can you open this for me?
Open up.
The glue.
Yeah,
Let me get all these. Google it,
just mix
eyes.
it. Just like knead it a little bit, and then I'll help you.
I've been eating it. But this, guys, it doesn't look that pretty on camera anymore. But it is real pretty in real life. Oh, no, wait. Oh, my God. Aubrey, can you please add the glue for me?
Yes.
Open it? Or
Yeah.
Like this? No, it's not.
Open it.
Yeah, it's not gonna work. Oh, because it has that thing.
Yeah, that cap. So let me just stir this. But Aubrey's gonna add the whole. I'm just joking, not a whole. Just a lot of it. Wait a bit more. Okay, yeah.
Don't get that with your hand dirty.
So guys, this is what the Wonder Doll looks like. It looks really hard, but it just hasn't got used to any hands. And it's pink. It kind of looks like orange or something.
Tell them you're sorry for the background. It is because my spoon.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry for that.
I'm sorry about that. Oh my gosh, guys, this is gonna be amazing. Look at this.
So guys, this is what it looks like. And it's called Wonder Dough, and we got this at the dollar store for like
$1.65.
Yeah, $1.65. And yeah.
Go get it. And you can also get 2 bottles of glue for 50 cents. And it's actually pretty nice glue.
It's probably, but it's where we live, but it's probably where we live. But it might be the same price.
Yeah, because this is really nice glue for $1 for 2 bottles.
When it's used to it, like the one I had at Cameron, it was like a lot used to it. Like this is like stretchy. And it's butter too.
So,
It makes a little popping noises.
yeah.
Like
Now
when I
I'm going to
butter
set
it,
my
like
camera up
butter it.
right.
I said when I butter it.
Aubrey, get your phone, your camera, and then let me do a swirl, and then let's do ASMR for mine and your channel.
We're both going to be quiet. As if you hear other voices. Of course, you do that. And it kind of feels like a sticky texture, like those foam cups, like they're kind of like sticky. It kind of feels like that, which I've never had, but I know what they feel. I know what they feel like.
Like you can see the feel.
Yeah, it's like that. Like I know, I can tell that's what they feel. You can barely kind of poke it, but you kind of have to like flatten your fingers like this. Because you don't want to like get things between, if you don't like getting things between your nails, then do that.
I don't think anybody likes getting their things in between their nails.
So that's
Okay, yeah, guys. Sorry for this terrible angle right now. I'm just scared to touch my phone because my hand's been on this
So that was
amazingness. And So yeah, subscribe to me and her. Her video will be in the description, and her channel will too. So yeah, go subscribe to mine and hers, and follow my Funimate. You can't follow hers because hers is a private account.
I only can follow you if I know you.
Yeah.
But if you know me and I don't know you, then I'm not gonna follow you. Like my friends, like I know them.
Or pieces of family.
Pieces?
Yeah.
Did you say pieces?
Yeah, like members.
So guys, here is the...
So yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of ASMR right now, and then yeah,
Should I mix these?
yeah, that's what I did in mine. I did like amazing slow.
Because then I have to worry about them mixing. So guys, first I'm going to take this whole out.
So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed. Peace out.